Sake to me, sake to me, sake to me sushi. Today we are at Sake to me sushi, just to see how much we can eat. Okay, everybody, as you can tell, we're caught in a traffic jam. There was an accident a few miles up this road, and it's making the traffic real slow. I guess it'll just give me more time to work up an appetite for my sushi. Well, the accident has been cleared. It's onward and upwards to sushi. Yay! Okay, we are here and we discovered that it's $23.95 for the all-you-can-eat because it's a Sunday. And we can't come on Saturdays anymore because Junji's in school. So we'll see what extras we get for this. Even still, all you can eat is all you can eat. And it should be pretty fun. So come and watch us. Hey Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, hungry.
People haven't seen you for a while.
Hi.
So tell us what's going on in your life.
It's kind of. It's kind of. Yeah, it is.
Okay, here's nigiri, peppered tuna, peppered salmon, tuna, and what's that at the end, Jen? Is that the yellowtail?
Yeah, yellowtail.
Looks good. The nice thing about this place is the fish to rice ratio. We know you gotta eat the rice and all you can eat. And look at it. I mean, they don't overload you with rice like some all you can eat restaurants do. We have salmon, inari, salmon egg, masago, which is smoked egg, and scallop. This is a shrimp lover roll, the ninja roll, and 2 hand rolls. One is the eel roll, and the other is a scallop roll. Okay, just tell us how it was.
She doesn't like a squid at all, and then for some other sushi restaurant called the Taka, they closed, and Taka is over 75 or something. He's retired now. And then at the restaurant, one boy was keep holding a squid, and then we called him the squid boy. And well, she really doesn't like squid.
Yeah, his tastes obviously are more advanced than mine. He'll never be. uncomfortable. Anyhow, I just wanted to tell you that it was really good. And the difference between the Saturday and Sunday menus, or the weekday menus, was that on the weekday menus there was a lot of restrictions on what you could order, but on Sunday and holidays or dinner, everything is available, and it was a complete list. Wow, it was just amazing. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you from Crazy OC Food Reviews. Don't forget to subscribe now.